Your third eye, or that sixth chakra that sits between your eyebrows and helps you tap into your intuition in a new way, has been around for as long as you have. But that fact alone doesn't mean you know much about it, including, on a basic level, what exactly it is. And while we're on the matter, you may want to know how to open your third eye, right? Luckily, experts are here to clear things up, for all of your eyes to see. The third eye is an energetic center, or chakra, says Icke Matlick, a naturopathic doctor, nurse practitioner, holistic coach, and founder of Seven Senses, which facilitates wellness retreats. Though it is not an actual physical structure, it is associated with the pineal and pituitary glands on the brain and located on the forehead between the brows. Matlick explains that the chakra system is like the organ system of the subtle or energetic body, and each chakra has a function or purpose. The function of the third eye? To access clarity, intuition and foresight. It gives us the ability to see beyond what is physically present in the moment, Matlick says. Seers and psychics typically have highly developed third eye chakras. The third eye gives us the ability to see beyond what is physically present in the moment. To that point, learning how to open your third eye isn't something you can necessarily accomplish in an afternoon. It takes a whole lot of time and work, including putting a strong foundation in place. Before we open the third eye, it is important to build the energetic foundation of the first 5 chakras, starting at the root, the first chakra. Matlick says, attempting to open the third eye before working with the lower 5 chakras is like learning to jump before you can even stand on 2 feet. In fact, opening the third eye prematurely can result in a spiritual crisis, often perceived as psychosis. In other words, if opening the third eye is your ultimate goal, it's time to get to work on unblocking and balancing your other chakras. Once you've done that, you can start taking steps toward opening that 6th chakra. But remember, this takes time, so be patient with yourself along the way. Want to know how to open your third eye? The following 11 tips can help. 1. Pay attention to your dreams. Dreams can be confusing, disorienting, wonderful, and terrifying, but don't just shrug them off each morning when your alarm goes off. Look to them for help in opening your third eye. Pay attention to your dreams. Write them down, remember them, and listen to them, suggests Matlick. Sounds like it's time to crack open that dream journal, huh? 2. Focus your meditation on your third eye, whether you use an app or practice mindfulness meditation or transcendental meditation on your own. If you're looking to open your third eye, meditation can help with that quite a bit. Focus your attention on the point between the brows in meditation, and simply observe what images or thoughts arise, Matlick says. 3. Practice breathwork. Breathwork is an excellent tool to use in everyday life, but it's especially beneficial in opening your third eye. There are many kinds of breathwork, but holotropic breathwork is particularly well suited to opening your 6th chakra, says Matlick. 4. Practice Kundalini Yoga. If you haven't tried Kundalini Yoga yet, go for it. The super spiritual, and often intense, yoga practice is great for opening your third eye, especially when you focus on certain kriyas. When you practice Kundalini Yoga, choose kriyas that focus on the pituitary or pineal glands, suggests Matlick. 5. Don't give up your regular yoga practice either. If Kundalini is too intimidating or simply isn't your thing, a standard vinyasa practice can help you learn how to open your third eye, too. One of my favorite poses for activating the third eye is child's pose, with your forehead pressing into the floor, says Claire Grieve, an international yoga specialist, stretch therapist, plant-based health coach. Bring your focus, attention, and energy into the chakra. Stay here for 2 to 5 minutes, breathe deeply, and visualize your world. Another great pose is forward fold. As you drop your head below your hips, blood and oxygen are rushed to your brain, and the third chakra delivers fresh energy for alignment. 6. Eat a nutritious diet. Hate to break it to you, but opening your third eye isn't easy if all you're eating is junk food. This is because your food choices are incredibly important for chakra alignment. Your food choices govern your energy, says Grieve. Adding an array of purple foods, such as blackberries, blueberries, grapes, eggplant, purple kale, purple sweet potatoes, and purple cabbage into your diet will boost and balance your third eye. She also notes that foods like chlorella, spirulina, blue-green algae, raw apple cider vinegar, chlorophyll, cilantro, raw cacao, goji berries, and vitamin D will help you detoxify your pineal gland. 7. Start using essential oils. Haven't tapped into your essential oil collection in a while? It's time to get going, especially if knowing how to open your third eye is the goal. Scents like lavender, sandalwood, frankincense, white sage, and pine can gently stimulate the pineal gland, Grieve says. Use essential oils in the bath or in a diffuser. 8. Meditate with crystals. Crystals are a great spiritual tool to have in your back pocket, especially when you're opening your third eye. Try placing a crystal on your third eye as you lay in a comfortable position and bring your focus into your breath, instructs Grieve. Anything in the purple realm, such as amethyst, lapis lazuli, blue or purple sapphire, purple-violet tourmaline, or rhodonite will awaken and activate your third eye. 9. Try tapping. Maybe you've used tapping to help cope with stress and anxiety. Well, the practice is also a great strategy for opening the third eye. Try gently tapping the forehead where the third eye is and activating your pineal and pituitary glands by sending light waves of vibration, says Reiki master and chef Serena Poon. 10. Use sound healing. If you've ever attended a sound bath, you know about the healing power of sound. And sound is great for opening up your third eye, too. Using sound healing or toning aids in meditation and brings you to a theta state, says Poon. This is an excellent way to help open the third eye. Also, working with healers, receiving Reiki and energy work, and doing spiritual development are all excellent ideas when you're opening your third eye, Poon says. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to Voice of Africa for more informative content.